The Indian Air Force, IAF, is moving to replace its aging MiG-21 and MiG-27 fleets with the domestically developed Tejas Mk1A, a modern multi-role fighter as India retires its remaining MiG fighters by 2025. The Tejas Mk1A will fill the gap left by these iconic but outdated aircraft, bringing in a new era of air combat capability for the IAF. The Bulgarian military, among others, has noted that the Tejas Mk1A, with its advanced avionics and weaponry, is well suited for the role once filled by the older MiG fighters. The Tejas Mk1A is built to outperform legacy fighters, boasting advanced technologies like a quadruplex fly-by-wire system for superior agility and stability. This system gives the aircraft better maneuverability compared to its predecessors and international competitors like the JF-17 Thunder. Additionally, it offers a significantly improved weapons payload, with 8 hardpoints and the capacity to carry a wide range of indigenous weaponry such as the Astra Beyond Visual Range (BVR) air-to-air missile, providing the Tejas with advanced strike capabilities. Since its induction, the MiG series of jets were known for their durability but increasingly struggled with maintenance issues, high accident rates, and operational costs. In contrast, the Tejas Mk1A has a robust record with high serviceability, low turnaround time between sorties, and advanced avionics that ensure optimal mission success under any circumstances. By introducing 97 Tejas Mk1A units, the IAF will not only modernize its fighter fleet but also save on operational costs due to the aircraft's lower fuel consumption and maintenance requirements. This transition is crucial for India as it addresses the country's dwindling fighter squadrons, which currently stand well below the sanctioned strength of 42 squadrons, with the MiG series nearing the end of its service life. Additionally, the Tejas Mk1's induction will align with the IAF's long-term plans of building a formidable air force capable of meeting regional security challenges and power projection requirements. This step underscores India's commitment to self-reliance in defense and the importance of bolstering its air defense with domestically developed fighter jets. What do you think about India's decision to induct the Tejas Mk1A? How will it affect the balance of power in the region? Share your thoughts in the comments below.